Revamp your workspace with a hint of green. This transformation not only adds to the style points, but also provides health benefits. The presence of plants can elevate your spirits, boost your productivity, and act as natural air purifiers. So let's explore the best ones for your workspace. Leading the list is the snake plant, a remarkable air purifier that demands minimal light or water. It's highly appreciated for its lofty, slender leaves and an ability to thrive under a variety of conditions. Following on the list is the sturdy ZZ plant. This one is just right for people who lack a green thumb. The plant is known for its shiny, deep green leaves and its ability to bloom even under low light conditions. A great pick for the world of indoor plants is the spider plant. This one flourishes under indirect sunlight. The plant is famous for its air purifying capabilities and the simplicity with which it reproduces. And of course, we can't miss out on the peace lily. This plant is a lover of shade and imparts an air of elegance. It's also distinguished by its gorgeous white flowers and its proficiency in improving the indoor air quality. Let's not forget to add the pothos plant to our list. This versatile and resilient plant can thrive under a variety of office conditions and is also known for its air purifying properties. The rubber plant, with its big, glossy leaves, can elevate the elegance of any office space. The Boston fern, a trendy choice for offices, captivates with its lush, feathery fronds and can grow in indirect light. It's also a highly effective air purifier. So what's holding you back? It's time to turn your workspace into a lush green haven. Breathe better, work better. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more updates on plants.